We are off. There we go. We are off to Beaver Glen in Prince Albert National Park. Just trying to figure out where I am here. I think I'm already lost. It's embarrassing every time. Okay, so this couldn't have been easier and I messed it up. I'm here. I'm supposed to be back here and I drove right by it. This is the entrance. Here's where I need to go. Here's where I am. Okay, we're gonna attempt this reverse with judgment-free attitude. Let's see how this goes. Okay, I guess the goal is to get somewhere right here. This is gonna be one of those vlogs where it's now Thursday the 17th. And I'm gonna take you back to Saturday is where this vlog is gonna start. Oh, I guess Saturday we went camping. I can't tell if that's really loud or not. Weekend we started off camping. We had excellent weather, a lot of fun, good little getaway.
Towels that we use for our kitchenette that are also not here.
Absolutely, get one of those fired up. Okay, quick update. Today was a beach day and that is about it. And now I think everyone has a fire going. Okay, that's gonna be it for the rest of the weekend. Camera's going away. And that led us into a very busy week. What was first on our docket this week? I guess very first thing, we started with a wicked storm. We had a torrential downpour. We had some flooding in the shop. I gave a thumbs up, thumbs down. We had the power go out a few times. Power just cut out, cut back on. We have an absolute hurricane outside. Oh my God! Take the wheel. And then just go run out. Wow! Holy! Look at this. Let's pile and towel. But that was relatively short-lasted and we were back to work. What else happened this week? Monday or Tuesday we brought Rooster Blowhorn. It's getting prepped and ready to go for a full exterior paint job. The color's gonna be wild. I'll flash it here a little bit. I'll flash a little slider. I don't know how I'll do it. Super funky green-blue color with a white roof. And then the door is gonna be some sort of red door with a graphic. Cole has been going super hard on the offices upstairs. Maybe I'll give you guys a little bit of an update. Not too much to show. It's a lot of that mudding and taping. Crappy job. Right now I'm at the back of the Beluga bus. It is looking incredible. John and Guy have been slapping away on the cabinetry. I think I'm gonna dive into there a little bit, show you guys that. Geeman?
Yes.
What are you working on?
Stove.
Stove?
Build a platform for the stove to fit onto and then go into the countertop.
Okay, so that is the oven range. And what's this one again?
It sits right here.
Oh, that's sink.
That's the sink.
Okay, so Guy and John's helping you, eh?
Yeah, he's actually working on the microwave opening.
Okay, so Guy's working on the oven, John's working on the microwave. What a 1-2 punch.
I'll do it.
2 inches. inches, that's half an inch. That's only 5/8.
Come on. Okay, so John and Guy, like I just previously said, are working on cabinetry.
Just down.
Yeah, just down.
John is deliberating about the microwave compartment, I believe.
So put them in first.
I think this pantry could be the bane of his existence. Hey, mister. And that kind of leads us to today, Thursday. So we have a new guy with us. He's gonna be a bit of a part-time laborer. His name is Logan. I grew up with the guy. We'll find out what kind of worker he is. So Logan is grinding away, quite literally. And Cole, what are you doing right now?
Removing the windows.
Oh, Cole's working on the window removal.
Yeah.
All right, so that's Logan. Here's our new guy. Longtime buddies, pretty much a little bro, grew up with the guy. Anything else you'd like to say to the fans here?
Just grinding away, having a good time making this bus, and she's old rusty, that's for sure.
Who did I leave out this week? Mitchell has been slaying away on our website, and I don't know if you guys have noticed, but log on to our website, pavedtopines.com. Speeds are flying. Still battling away on our building purchase. Financing sucks as a new business. We're getting there though. Absolute headache. Christian's been working all over the shop. He's been tackling multiple roles right now and is kind of our acting shop foreman, so that comes with a lot of scheduling. Guy's doing a great job though. That's been huge to be able to have Christian step into that role and kind of mirror, you know, do that delicate dance with Frankie between project manager, shop foreman. They've got the shop dialed. Frankie has been working hard on the medical van project.
That's better. Oh, we have lights.
Tell us what just happened, friend.
Well, I put a fuse in, and then I thought I hit the switch that turns on the exterior lights, but it wasn't that switch, and then I was really concerned.
So the moral of the story, don't panic, and make sure you turn on the right switch.
Just keep trying.
Problem solver.
Problem solved.
Look at how white this is looking though. Wow.
Beautiful.
We'll get this one up to you too.
This is for the undercap. Slither this one up to you.
Think we can get one more person in here?
See? Oh, what was that?
I mean, a little bit of lightning.
On this.
As soon as I'm done telling you that.
All right, so Christian's still a little snappy.
Holy, it's warm when they have three dudes so close together.
So you guys are getting a little look at Frank's handiwork right now and a little bit of Christian's knees. Frank is currently putting together the Victron inverter charger system. What do you call this again? Multi?
It is the Multi-Plus Compact.
The Multi Plus Compact.
My Victron.
Provided by CBI Solar. Thank you, Mark.
Thank you much.
It is nearly wrapped up. He's tidying up the last bits of electrical, and then Cole can get back in there and finish up the AC system. And then lastly on the week is going to be Friday, which is going to be tomorrow, which maybe I'll have something to add. Right now I don't. So this could be the end of the vlog.
Give it one more chance.